This is our first time going out na this year.
Alright! Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Hi.
Grabe, nagpipicture without me, my gosh. We're here pala sa Intercontinental Hotel. It didn't auto-save. It's kind of purple. We're here sa Denshas. This is like the 5th floor upstairs. We didn't buy. So cute. It's like, acting lang to, guys. This is just props.
Productive.
Kaya nga.
While we were discussing, I realized my answers were wrong. Everything I wrote.
Oh my gosh, so you need to restart.
Exactly.
Look, Pearly brought me some coffee. Thank you. Sponsor.
My New Year's gift.
Okay, New Year's gift daw for renewing the friendship.
First time boy bus.
This is our first time going out na this year.
Alright!
It's her first gala. Pero wala pa si Gail kasi she still has school.
Which is really nice.
Kaya nga eh. Lagi na lang tayong dalawa muna. Gail's always busy with her life kasi. I finished one module na. Ayoko na. You're gonna restart that all?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Apparently, they were all wrong.
Ayoko na, inaantok na ako. Mas inaantok ako pag nagkakape ako, I swear. I'll try to do one more and then I'll edit. Kasi I don't wanna... My head is not handling.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Hi. It's so cold now. Oh, let's take a Go.
Okay, bye na. Walang storage. Patay sa camera, walang storage. Gail got me this, Stitch blind box. Ito yung pinanood namin na movie sa Galleria nun eh. And then a necklace. See what I got. So cute. I got what I wanted. We're here. We're at Corfacan. This is ano ata. I forgot the name of the place, pero we've been here before. It's our second time. It's like a 2-hour, 30 minutes drive from Abu Dhabi. Ang ganda, no? Kaso ang init. Kasi it's 1:52. What's that? See? I'll show the camera. Oh no, where's the duck? Come on, let's walk. There, duck! Duck! I got a mango. It's so hot kasi outside.
Kaya pa.
We're gonna eat muna. Ang lamig! Wow! It's so windy. Grabe, nagpipicture without me. My gosh. Ayun na. Sama ka na.
Kasama ka.
Sama ka na, bilis. Sama ka na.
Basta kasama yung B niya.
Halika na.
It's so pretty. I feel this, it reminds me of Armenia. Ang kulang lang sa mountains, walang snow. Here's the bread. Masarap daw with jam and eggs and bacon and sausage. Lahat na. And butter tong bread. This is some pork knuckle. And then we ordered this rin, pero hindi ko na na-videoan kasi pina-charge ko yung camera dun sa counter. Because for some reason, it's not charging sa small power bank ko. It only charges sa big power bank. Para akong nagmumukbang. I have some cheese croquettes. I usually don't like cheese much, pero hindi naman masyado manasa yung cheese, I feel like. Alam mo ba, naka-double jacket ako right now. Like I'm wearing a Michelin and normal jacket. Kasi recently, it's been so cold here sa UAE. It's winter kasi pag January. It's been like less than 20 degrees. For reference, if summer, usually it's like 40 degrees. Here's the baboy. The last time you saw me, I was at Cafe 302 eating, and now I'm eating again. Hindi ko alam if you guys can hear me. Kanina, we went to IKEA, and then Ma'am Sha Beach, I think. But we just walked around the beach. IKEA, we ate lang ulit. And then now we're here. It's 10:12 p.m. Here's some more. Oh! We're here pala sa Intercontinental Hotel. Did I say that? We're just here to eat. It's nice here because it's outdoor. And syempre, since it's winter, it's nice to enjoy the winter, the coldness. Here's the place. It's just outdoor. Here's the bread. Hello everyone, today is January 28th. Today I decided to vlog because today might be my last day going to badminton until March. I don't know, I just wanted to film. Look at my banana, the brown, I don't know. If you guys didn't know, I go to badminton 2 times a week, every week. Unless it's like a holiday or like I'm traveling. November, December, I didn't go. I went back this January, and then February, I'm not going again because Ramadan timings are different. I was planning to like bake today because I bought this baking pack of like cookies and brownies. So that's also why I wanted to vlog today. But I'm too lazy to. Plus the cookies need some butter, which we don't have right now. I have like other 2 vlogs that I have not edited at all. I filmed this a week in my summer break last year. I have that vlog in my phone, and until now I have not edited it because I've tried editing it twice on my phone, and I have no idea why. I used InShot. I pressed a button accidentally. I couldn't undo it because it started lagging. It didn't auto-save, so it wasn't in my drafts. I even emailed InShot about it, but they said that there was nothing they could do. So that's why that vlog hasn't been posted until now. Hello, it is now 1:59 p.m. I'm about to eat my lunch so that I'm not hungry sa badminton. But I have some eggs, some fish, some tomatoes. So now here's the fit. I'm here. There's no people yet kasi usually on Wednesdays there's not much people until like 5 o'clock on the dot. And it's only 4:32, so I'm waiting for my friends so we can play. Here's the place. I've been going to this place ever since I started badminton last 2 years ago ba? I went nung August 2024, I think. Here's the outfit. I'm wearing a lot of red today. Here's my shoe. It's from Yonex. And then my jogging pants. And then I'm just wearing a jacket. I'll remove it when I start playing though. It's so cold outside na kasi. And then I'm wearing a shirt. And then headband. That's it. I'll show you guys my racket. There's still no one here. Except for the staff. Here's my racket. It's kind of purple, pinkish, magenta. And I also have a fan because sometimes after running or warming up, I literally cannot breathe. Like I'm full on panting. So this is really useful. My calves are like hurting from the warm up.
Second take. Okay. Hello, this is my new friend.
Hi, my
What's
name
your
is Riza.
We met this month, and this is our last session together because next month we won't be going.
We both won't be going.
Kind of purple, pinkish. Hello guys. Good morning. It is 6:50 a.m. right now. I woke up at 5:30 for class. I'm going to eat some breakfast now. I made some banana shake. This is just some ice with banana and milk. And then I have 2 boiled eggs. I'm going to sleep after, and then when I wake up, I'm probably gonna eat again and do some schoolwork. I have been obsessed with this thing. Like, this is my 3rd time using it. Yesterday, I used this, and then the other time was like last week. I have been obsessed with it because it's really simple. You just have to put fruits or like milk with whatever. It's a portable smoothie maker. So you can drink it here. I'm hoping later I can bake because yesterday I didn't pick the cookies because I thought we didn't have any butter left, but turns out we do. Hello everyone, it is now 3:09 p.m. It says I need to stir butter and egg into a medium bowl. So here I am. My gosh, I'm really bad at this. Okay, let me stir this. After stirring this, add cookie mix and stir until moistened. Okay. Here's the dough. I think it's done. Does it look cooked? It's not cooked at all. It's still way too soft. I'll try putting it for another 10 minutes. I let it cool and it's actually so good. We're here sa Denshos in Dubai. We're just gonna eat and then later we might go to Queen Elizabeth something, hindi ko alam. But there's like a sale of like clothes and shoes and branded stuff there. So we might go there. Some chicharon bulaklak. Sarap. Let me try. So baboy. We've eaten here before pero it's been like a year I think. Oh, you want to say hi? She said dinosaur. I have some crispy pasta. We're inside. Parang I can't believe na I'm on a ship right now. I feel like it's just a building. Pero parang feeling ko nga gumagalaw eh. But I don't know if it's in my head. It's in my head. Feeling ko it's moving. B, pagod na ako. This is like the 5th floor upstairs. Kaya nga eh. B, this is not for the weak. We're here sa outlet village, diba? We didn't buy much dun sa cruise thingy. We just bought an eyeshadow brush, my dad's boxers, and a Tommy shirt. This is a very humbling experience. My mic isn't on. We're gonna check in na lang dyan sa Rove at the park. The Rove hotel we always check into nung summer. Because my dad is tired from driving. Ang cute na, oh.
Which cute?
Look, there's